Right, today, this morning is just a bit of a fitness. So this is what I do to keep nice and fit. Just do a bit of rock running, keeps me in top performance and keeps me nice and fit. Yeah, right. I was going to go out on the bike today and do a film, but God, it's just slippery. But thought better of it. Alright, the tide's in. I haven't planned it too well. This is really slippery. But it's my first video in a while because I've been feeling a bit rough. I've also had problems with this camera. If anyone else uses a GoPro 8, be interesting to see if you've got issues as well. Just kept freezing on videos. I'm hoping it's not going to do it on this one today, but we'll just have to fried onion ring it. I'm not sure I can get round here. We'll see. So slippery. Once I get to some proper rocks, it's alright. Leap across. It's really flipping slippery. Sorry if it's a bit slow today. As I said, it's my first video since my last one, which was a good, well, it's Christmas Day. Oh, I'm feeling it a bit today. Really feeling it. Oh man, it's so slippery. I'm a bit out of sync with all this at the minute. It's not really rock running, is it? It's more like rock crawling. You probably won't be able to see anything because of the sun. Well, at least I can get out of here up there if I need to. Okay, look, swinging on a branch. Probably not the best idea, is it? But there you go. Yeah, as I was saying, I've got the GoPro 8, but I had issues with the freezing. So I'm just interested to know anyone who uses a GoPro 8, whether you've had the same and what you did to rectify it. I've updated all the firmware. Got a new GoPro battery, so we'll just have to see how it goes. But if it happens again, I'm not going to be happy. Not happy. You probably all think I'm a wuss, but this is really slippery. Really slippery. And I'm not wearing the best shoes for it either. I'm not happy. Might be able to get around. Might see if I can go up around. It's all just so slippery. Yours got to be so careful of these rocks on this. They crumble. Had it before. Oh, I put so much weight on it. Blimmin' crumbled. Scared the life out of me. I'm not sure. I'll try and get around for the purpose of this video. Man, I might be able to. Done it. Oh man, I'm well happy. Right, around here there's rocks that you can leap to. Been years since I've been here. Absolutely years. Just adjusting this camera. I used a head strap and it's not the most comfortable. My videos will get more interesting as time goes along. Obviously I'm new to all this videoing my life, so it's all a learning process. And it's only you lot that I know anyway that watch my videos, so I don't have to show off. So slippery, man. Look at that, so slippery. I want to get down there. Oh well. Like, look, you have to be so careful of rocks like that. I suppose once I'm down there it's alright. Just always check what you're putting your weight on when you're doing this kind of stuff, because honestly it can have you. It can have you. And all of the stunts in my videos, I don't recommend doing them at home because it's done by an unprofessional myself. So bear that in mind. If you try and do anything that I do, I haven't told you to do it. I don't want you to do it. I do it because I need a buzz. I don't get a buzz off people doing what I do and then hurting themselves. Right, I wonder. Right, yes or no? I think no for this morning because of these shoes. But I just come down that, slippery. But it's all good fun, isn't it? I really hope this camera's recording still. Right, here we go, we're on to the rock running. It's like that. Oh man, this is a proper adventure this morning. Let's hope it's capturing all the footage. But as I say, there's going to be motorbike videos. I would have gone out today, but not feeling great, so I like to be at my best when I'm doing the riding. Struggling with this a bit, to be fair. Oh yeah. Here we go. Here we go, leap over to that. If anyone's got any recommendations for my videos, please put it in the comments. And also you hear that I'm not actually that fit. That was a joke earlier. Breathing like a blimmin' smoker. Never smoked. Fitter smokers than me. Alright. Sugar. Oh, that was close. But this rock running, been doing this since I was a teenager. Such good exercise. I swear that's why I never put on loads of weight. I have to have a breather. Right, there's Thatcher's Rock. In case you couldn't tell, this is Meadfoot Beach over there. There's Meadfoot Beach, in case you couldn't tell. Ships out at sea, painting over there, all the way around to Berryhead in Brixham. As I said, that's Thatcher's Rock. Wouldn't mind doing a video there one day. I'm going to stop the video here, have a break. So this will be part 1, and then part 2 is going to be over to there. Got to be somewhere for 12, so I'll probably stop over there. All right.